Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies like Subway. First, gather all your ingredients, making sure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly for a consistent dough. We'll use both brown and granulated sugar to achieve that perfect chewy texture. Remember, chilling your dough is a crucial step for preventing spread and enhancing flavor, so plan for at least 30 minutes of chill time. To start, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Gradually add 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Now for the fun part. Gently fold in 2 cups of your favorite mix-ins, like chocolate chips, white chocolate chunks, or even M&Ms, until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a 2-ounce scoop, portion the dough into balls and place them about 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake these delicious cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up properly before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. They're best enjoyed warm, of course. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.